Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, however no worries, this operation looks quite similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. Alright, so right here we have to tap on this icon, which is a three dots icon, and then enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case this list is really long, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we will be able to remove everything automatically. As you can see, in the basics we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings, so the second section. And if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. It's up to you, of course. Then let's tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.